Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am back with another interesting topic in the Tosca automation playlist.
So today we are going to discuss about a problem which is quite common when you are working with web applications. You might come across scenarios where you get these pop-ups which are mostly JavaScript enabled, right? Now these pop-ups will not be recognized by the Tosca application engine, which can recognize most of the applications, but these windows will not be recognized by this particular technology. So in these type of scenarios, you need to fall back upon different engines. And one of the engine, which is called the UIA engine, you can use this UIA scan to scan these pop-up windows, which are JavaScript based. And through this, you can solve this particular problem where you're not able to identify these particular pop-up windows. Okay, so let's see with the help of an example how we can go around this particular problem and how we can solve this easily with the different scanning methods which are available in Tosca. So for this, I have gone to this particular website, which has got some JavaScript alerts. Okay. And here I can go ahead and click any of these different alerts. Okay. So I can click this one and here it will say, I am a JS alert. It is a pop-up window, which comes on top of this particular browser, right? So let's see if we are able to scan this with the normal application option which we choose to scan any particular window. So we'll go back to Tosca, and here in the modules, we'll go ahead and choose scan application. Okay, so let's go ahead and scan this particular application along with the pop-up. So we'll try this. Okay, so now you can see that Tosca has scanned some elements. It has scanned all these buttons and some links here, but I still cannot see the Windows pop-up here, right? So I'm going to increase the filtered items and try to see if I can still see this particular controls which are present on this pop-up. Okay, so if I go through the whole tree, I cannot see this pop-up, okay, or any controls which are present in this pop-up. So mostly Tosca will not be able to scan this JavaScript alert pop-up, okay, when you choose the application option. So we will see what is the workaround for this. Okay, so we'll close this and we will try to scan this again. So initially we have to select application because there is no specific method present there. But once you come to this Xscan window, here you can choose different options. Okay, so once the window is selected, now what you can do, right click on that, and by default HTML is selected, right? But we have got different options and we are going to use the UIA option. Okay, so it's one of the scanning engines which can scan some window-based controls or even JavaScript-based controls. Okay, so we are going to use this particular scanning technology, and then we are going to click on scan. And now you will see that it has scanned different controls right here. You can see many other controls, but the main control which we are looking for is the pop-up or the alert, right? And it is present right here. You can see. So here we can just select the OK button because we want to click on OK to proceed with our automation, right? Because this is completely blocking the automation. So we want to click on OK and then we want to proceed with our next steps. So as you can see, the OK button is unique, so we don't need to do anything here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and save this. I will change the name here. I will say JavaScript pop-up. Okay, and go ahead and save this now and close this. So now coming back here, you can see that this module has been created Now, if you want to use this module as a generic module, right? Because most of the JavaScript alerts will have this kind of text. So it will start with some application related name, and then it will say says, okay? This is mostly how the JavaScript alerts or pop-ups have the same name. So here what we can do is instead of this, we can put a regular expression here, okay, so that it can cover any particular page title or the title of that pop-up, right? So whatever it begins with, that can be covered with the regular expression asterisk, and then you can put says here, okay? Now we will go ahead and we will create a new test case. Let's create a new test case under the same folder, which is Win Controls, okay? So here we will say click on pop-up, okay? And then we will go ahead and add the module here. And here what we need to do, we just need to click on it, right? So that's all we have to do here. And then let's go ahead and run this in Sketchbook. Okay, so as you can see, now it was able to click on the OK button successfully. But previously, it was not even able to scan this particular control. Okay, so in scenarios where you're not able to scan particular controls using the application option, you can go ahead and choose a different option in the Xscan window. There are different options like UIA. You can also fall back upon Vision AI if you have got an account for that. Okay, so these are the two different options which you can try before falling back to different other options, right? Now, this will work for the Chrome browser. So if you are working on other browsers, the message may be different or the pop-up title may be different. So you need to adjust your name of that particular title as per the browser window, because every browser will have a different title for the JavaScript pop-up.
That's all for this particular video. If you have any questions, then please leave it in the comments. If you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.